Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In today's video, we will be taking a comprehensive look at the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350. This versatile van offers a range of features that make it a practical choice for both personal and commercial use. Let's start with the exterior. The Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 features a sleek and modern design, giving it a contemporary appeal on the road. Its stylish front grille and captivating headlights make a bold statement, while its spacious body allows for ample cargo capacity. Whether you're transporting goods or going on a weekend adventure, this van has got you covered. Moving on to the interior, the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 offers a well-designed cabin that prioritizes functionality and comfort. With seating capacity for up to 12 passengers, this van is perfect for group travels. The seats are plush and provide excellent support, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride for everyone. Side profile. When it comes to the side profile of the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350, there's no denying its sleek and stylish design. From the moment you lay eyes on this van, you'll be ample natural light inside, but they also give passengers a panoramic view of their surroundings. Whether you're driving through bustling city streets or admiring scenic landscapes, these windows truly enhance the overall experience. Moving along to the body lines, you notice a perfect balance between functionality and elegance. The smooth curves and sharp creases create a dynamic look that exudes confidence on the road. It's clear that Nissan has paid attention to every detail in order to create an eye-catching side profile. Performance. The Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 is equipped with a powerful 2.5-liter diesel engine that delivers impressive fuel efficiency and performance. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, this van offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. In terms of safety, the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 is packed with advanced features to keep you and your passengers protected. It comes with airbags, anti-lock braking system, and electronic stability control, among other safety technologies, which provide peace of mind on the road. Lastly, let's touch on the convenience features. The Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 offers a range of amenities that enhance your driving experience. From advanced infotainment systems to convenient storage compartments, this van ensures that you have everything you need within reach. In conclusion, the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 is a reliable and practical van that delivers both style and substance. Whether you need it for personal or commercial purposes, this van has the versatility and performance to meet your demands. Value for money. When it comes to value for money, the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 truly shines. With its competitive price point and impressive list of features, this van offers a remarkable balance between affordability and quality. For those looking for a reliable and practical van that can accommodate their needs without breaking the bank, the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350 is an excellent choice. Its spacious interior, efficient engine, and sturdy build make it ideal for families or anyone in need of a versatile vehicle. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review of the Nissan Caravan YD25 NV350. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more content like this.